wants her binky.
Let her see if she can do it. Don't touch it.
Who wants
Come
her
on, do it.
binky?
Do it. Don't touch it.
Oh, I can't.
She knows where it's at.
Let me help you.
Oh
little
my
angel.
goodness.
Oh, oopsie.
Thanks a lot, Mom. Trying to help out, aren't you?
She's got my heart.
She almost had it.
Oh, she
You
does
were really
now.
close, Lexus.
Yeah.
She was so close. She was like, when I came in here, she was, I mean, honestly, she was like, she had it with her tongue, and she was like, I can get it, I can get it. You gotta let her do some stuff by herself.
Oh, she's so little. I can take care of her as much as I want. You can't love a newborn enough, can you, Alexis? No, you just can't love a newborn enough. You're such a good girl, too.
Alright, well, let's go back and have dinner.
Thanks for dinner, Alex.
Sure.
We love you, Alexis.
We do.